Hello world. Today I'm going to continue a request from yesterday. Let me show you one more time because I didn't do it last time in last episode. I said that I was gonna do it because I read the actual request and I didn't do it. So let me show you the actual this one from a dude. I like your shaders, could you do a video on them? So yesterday I did only video on sketching how to draw a concept, and I kind of forgot to do shaders, so I'm gonna do it today. I'm going to model very simple shape, kind of car like. Just give me a few seconds. I don't know, do you feel same way or not, but sometimes I feel like I'm surrounded by bullshit. Like, please forgive me for using this kind of language, but I can describe it better way. Just bullshit is all around me. This is an awful feeling. Here's somewhat car-like shape. Very quickly. I was saying about the thing that I feel like I'm surrounded by bullshit. I mean, news, that just all the people around me, and it is an awful feeling. I don't know why everywhere I look I feel like it's all bullshit, and I don't really know what to do. I don't really know how to get out of it. Okay, we got very basic shape. Maybe add a little edge here. Okay. And I use very simple shaders, extremely simple. I even don't like use textures because it's add time. I have to spend time to get good results. When I'm applying shaders, usually I always turn on these settings: ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space reflection, motion blur, and on lower the color management tab, I change view transform from filmic to standard. You see, this is by default and this is standard, and I like this one more because it's I don't know how to tell you, it's just in my opinion more realistic. Okay, let's make a shader. Open shader editor. I can actually do it from here too, and my shaders are very simple. Let's start with the regular car paint, just standard car paint. It's very easy to get. Just change roughness from default 0.5. It's supposed to be 0.5. I don't know why it's 0.4. Just change to 0. Now you see clear, nice reflections on the body. And because well, I do my concepts very quickly, and I make glass not transparent. Well, sometimes I make them transparent. Sometimes I leave them not transparent at all, with zero transparency. Because if I don't have time to model interior parts, I don't use transparency. And I just for glass I just use regular black shader, just change color to black, and again change roughness from 0.5 to 0. That's how I get not transparent, like very tinted window, kinda. But if you want to make it transparent, I'm gonna show you how to do this. Just change alpha to, let's reduce it to half, 0.5, from 1 to 0.5, and you have to change blend mode from opaque to alpha blend, and this how you get transparent glass, and you can see through it that there is no interior modeled. So that's why I prefer to use it, or to make it very tinted like this, so it's not that visible that there is a interior doesn't exist in this car. Okay, that was a regular car paint shader. It's very easy to change its colors to a bunch of different colors. I prefer red. Red looks, in my opinion, awesome, really good. Red looks very good. Okay, and now I'm gonna make metallic car paint. Just get rid of this one, create new. Metallic shader is a slightly more sophisticated, but still very simple. I prefer to keep things extremely simple. It metallic, you just go to the metallic and change from 0 to 1, all the way up to 1. And if you change roughness to back to 0, like it was on a regular car paint, like in the last shader, it's going to turn into just a regular chrome material. Now it is a mirror-like reflective chrome material. There are cars like that. I've seen it a couple times myself, but it's still a rare thing, the entire body. But a chrome shader is usually used for headlights, interior parts, and maybe some other little details on a car. So, but we need metallic car paint, silver car paint, and let's get back to roughness to 0.5. And in order to make it even more realistic, you need a clear coat. You have to turn on a clear coat. Clear coat, it's right here. By default it's 0. You can change it all the way to 1. And now we have silver shader. Probably I have to change texture of the surrounding to make it more pronounced, to make it more visible. Well, also you can change color from, by default it's almost white, to gray. Now we got dark gray metallic color. Also you can also kinda change all these settings little by little and get more or less you can change properties of this shininess, metallic shininess. So this one was metallic. Shader. And also you can change its color too. You can get red metallic, or other colors. Very fast, very easy. So I think this is gonna be it. This is going to be final results. There was a guy who asked me to try to he wanted to get chameleon color for vehicle, but to be honest, I don't know how to do it. I have to research it first, how to get chameleon color. So this is it for today. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, you can always leave a mean comment on the comment section below. Till next time, bye bye.